My name is Mette. I like to use the laser cutter for cutting fabric, and today I'm going to show you how. What I've done here is I have taken a piece of fabric, I ironed it flat so it will lay nicely in the laser cutter, and then I taped it to a piece of cardboard. As you can see, then I aligned it with the edge so that the grain line of the fabric follows the edge of the cardboard. And this we're going to put into the laser cutter. Now we put it into the laser cutter, and as you can see, if I align the cardboard with the machine, I will have a machine that cuts exactly where I want it to go, and knowing how my file is put into the machine, I will know where the file will end up according to my grain line of the fabric. So this is how I want the fabric to lie in it. Now I'm going to check if the laser is the right height. You use one of these measurements, put it on top here, and then it should just hit the fabric. This one actually fits, mainly because I just used it. And then we can trust the machine to cut where we want it. I'm just going to put some weight on the cardboard, not on the fabric, because they tend to get dirty, these weights. But that should make us ready for cutting the file. Now you need to load your file. And what you do is you go up into File, then you go to Import, and you find your file. I got it right here. Let's just find it. There. And just say OK. Now you got your file open here, and as you can see, I have marked with different colors. Now I know that I want to cut everything here that is black. So I'm going to go up here and say cut at the black one. Then I'm going to adjust the laser so it fits the material. Now different fabric needs different settings. So a polyester works and needs different settings than a cotton, and so on and so forth. I have a fairly heavy cotton that I need to cut, so I'm going to try to cut it just like ordinary cardboard, but that's going to be 100, and this looks fine. Then we're ready for cutting, and we can press download current, this. Okay, it doesn't like engravings areas to be open, so we need to set this one to cut. It doesn't matter, it's not active. But then we can go click download again, download current, and we should be ready to cut. Now we need to make sure that the laser will actually cut on the exact spot where we want it inside the laser. So what you can see here is we have the possibilities to adjust the different positions. So the laser here will move according to where I put it here. First I'm going to press escape. Adjusted the set axis, the height of the laser. So now I should be able to just keep pressing escape until you're there. Now it's moving. So I'm going to put it all the way to the side as far as I can, because I want to use my fabric like that. And then all the way to the top as far as I can here. And then I'm going to press test, because that will show me where the laser will end up cutting. And I can see here that it fits nicely into my machine. Actually it doesn't. I can see it needed a little bit here. So I'm just going to adjust again, like that, and then test. Maybe just a little further. Like that. and close it and press start. And everything else is pretty much just standing around and enjoying everybody else do all the hard work. So here you see the final cut fabric. And as you can see, I made sure that I have both my right and my left side of the garment. And something really interesting and useful for the laser cutter is that you can make sure that it makes your markings in the seam line. So here I have my waistline marked up on all my pattern pieces. Here I have the way I close this garment is I need to sew along some certain areas, and I made markings so I know exactly where I need to sew to. And then finally I have the option of creating holes in my fabric, which otherwise I would need special tools for. So the laser cutter really makes a difference for cutting out fabric.